his bones crushed, his spirit also crushed. Lamau.
Boom, 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 boom. Right. Sap 10. That should help a lot. Game for you. Time. This guy doesn't have trample, right? Can't move between floors or change position. Okay, we'll start setting up the second floor. It's gonna be a bit risky. He will go first. He's gonna go second. She is third. He gets, wait, who I want to get glow up right now. Prop 2, he's at Ridge 18. Conduit 5 is not gonna help me. Sport Touch. Yeah, 64 health life left. And he's down about 30%. This line is okay. Not great, it's okay. So what is this? He's doing, it says 16 by 2 and then 10 by 2. Rage. He has Rage 3. Oh, okay, so he usually does 10. When he gets to the bottom, he gets multi-strike, and then he gets 3 Rage. So that's where the 16 by 2 comes from. Okay, let's just keep this rolling. Okay.
Die already! I just wanna play Minecraft! I just want to have sex in Minecraft! Stop! I'm sorry.
I just wanna have little sex in Minecraft. Sex in Minecraft. Sex in Minecraft. Sex in Minecraft.
I like sex in Minecraft.
I don't really give a fuck. Yeah, I want to have sex.
Fuck this!
Put this on something just to get rid of it. Okay, 58 health, 17, 19, 20, 85. He's gonna be the problem. This guy's gonna be taken care of. Right, we gotta hit this guy as hard as we can very soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to keep the second floor alive for magic. Grow room, propagate 1. They already have a grow room, right? We can propagate 1 here. What's this guy have? Spell weakness X6. That's it for this turn. Not a great turn. Back it up, baby. Okay, he's still at 0. And dropping the spike on this guy was like a set it and forget it type of deal. That was a good move. Okay, this guy, he's only got 17 health. I don't know how to kill him. Well, actually, he's, let's see. He's got 0 attack. Why? I'm not positive. No, I don't see sap on him. Is he just a wall? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Puffball's gonna die. Well, I'm playing Minecraft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Glow up. Okay. I can drop this up there. It'll be fine. I don't think I need it, but I had to go somewhere. Good. No attack. Two of these? Whenever I use this, it like backfires. I guess I'll try it right now. So it should take him down to 307, okay? And it shouldn't hurt the fire. Okay, it worked. Not sure why the first time I was fighting these guys, something was happening and wasn't working properly. Alright, trample 75. I got nothing, I can tank that. Let's see, this will be 7 plus 4 times 4, 16, 23. So she's actually going to be at just -9, but I'm still going to lose the line. Let's do it like that, even a bit more. This. Okay, so now I save the cephalopod, the mollusk mage. Okay, he's dead in 2 turns. 838 and 1605. So yeah, these are just a bulwark. 0. I can drop double mute. This is maybe. That didn't do shit.
Timmy, Grandma's in the hospital! Oh my god!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, this guy's dead this turn anyway. Or not dead, but reduced to 1. Alright, this is on me. If I fuck up, it's my fault, 100%. Okay, he's dead. He's dead. He's got 1,000 HP.
Can you please take your son away from the room? He's obviously not fit for this kind of situation. Please, take care of your son.
Shut up, Grandma! I'm having sex on the microbed. I'm having sex. You're so old. Having sex in my craft. Having sex in Minecraft. Having sex in Grandma is dead!
Oh fuck, I didn't realize that cocksucker got by me. Okay, he does no damage. He's back up to his 3 damage, but I'm taking 6. Reason is... I don't know. It's gonna be 0, so it's gonna be 6, 20, and then 14, and then I have to kill him on this floor. I don't know if I'll make it to this floor. That's all I can do, I think. Okay, 20. 17. He's at 212. So he'll be dead. He'll be dead. And he'll be dead. They all have X's. Okay, so just so I'm not crazy. X, X, X. Correct? So that tells me I press end turn and then I should win the game, right? There it is. We did it, guys. Finally beat him. Fire of Savagery. Friendly units gain Slay +1 attack permanently. That's nice. Fire of Dominion. That's a cool picture. Remove train stewards and starting cards. Immediately draft 4 packs and double each card picked. That sounds like a lot of fun too. And Pyre of Envy. Add a Vengeful Shard to your deck after each battle. Draw 1 extra card for every 2 Blaze in your deck. Okay. Bone Shaker. Right. Mute applied 180. And Spell Weakness applied 736. That's a lot. Those from those Silophytes. Let's try Endless. I haven't done Endless in a while. I'm gonna do a quick BRB. I'll be back in a second. Or a minute. Having sex in Minecraft. Sex in Minecraft.
Sex in Minecraft. Having sex in Minecraft. Ooh, I'm having sex in Minecraft. Ooh, I'm having sex in Minecraft.
Is this the Arthur song? Or is this something else? Because if it is the Arthur song, it sounds like way more islandy than I'd ever realized. You ever been to the Caribbean, Fisher? I've been to a bunch of the islands. I think I've never been to Haiti/DR or Cuba, but most of the other major and minor islands I've been to, like 8 or 9 or 10 of them. Kind of which, I mean, and this makes sense. A lot of industry is geared toward, oh my god, Joel, shut up for a second. A lot of the islands are geared towards tourism, but the thing is, you know, the islands are their own countries, and they're small. So it's like that's every island's major source of income. So they all kind of do a similar, if not the same thing. Anyway, okay, I'll put Joel back up. Actually, matter of fact, we could probably change this music. Let's see. It might be another kids show. I've only ever been to Cuba and Italy, Las Vegas, and Canada.
Minecraft, sex in 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 Minecraft,
we're looking good.
sex in Minecraft, sex
All right,
in Minecraft.
endless mode.
I go to hospital, my liver is bad. The doctors tell me I'm gonna die, but I don't care. I'm sitting down, playing in Minecraft with a frown. Sex in Minecraft, sex in Minecraft, sex in Minecraft, sex in Minecraft, sex!
You're looking at a lot of challenges here in your life, and it's going to be a challenge living under these conditions. I wish you the best. Good luck.
Everybody having sex in Minecraft, having sex in the Minecraft. Why are you having sex in Minecraft? Wow, you are having sex in Minecraft. Wow, sex in Minecraft. Wow, sex in Minecraft.
This is Arthur.
Ooh,
Got it.
having sex in Minecraft. Having sex, no. I wanna sing.
I wanna sing. What do we have here? Okay, it'll be the boiler room. Energy siphon, right? Another one for this boy. 2. 1. 2.
But I don't know. I might have like one version. Anybody know like how to pass this? You got a vibe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,
Job is
2,
correct. Is that it?
3. They do 0 damage. You could use a silent
Job
fight.
is the way to go. Okay, 'cause I was
70.
I was in this trying to install.
I mean, she should actually be in the front row, but
What do you call it?
that feels unwise.
I was gonna crossplay first.
So I'll put her in the middle.
And then I
The
realized
compromise.
that Bedrock and Java is incompatible.
These are all dead. This guy.
I was wondering.
We can save 5 health here.
Or what do you mean?
Okay.
But anyway, so I know Minecraft has been ported to many different consoles.
That's it.
I was gonna play it on the laptop, PC, and then like play a little bit on the Switch.
The Arthur song is actually done by Ziggy Marley.
You can play it on your Ouya.
I didn't know that, but okay, that makes sense.
Pre-recorded. No, this is not a pre-recorded bit. We're trying to iron out problems with Minecraft. So we can play
Deal
it.
5 damage and frostbite 10.
Oh, yeah,
He's
Frostbite
dead.
is Bedrock. So Bedrock can do it on Java. So Java is not Frostbite. That's exclusive PC. Okay, so that's cross, that's good. So I can't. I do crossplay.
Oh.
Anyway, you guys want to play with some mods tonight? I don't know if shader count as mods, and is it you can do that? Absolutely. Okay, so you won't get back for that.
Grow room. Oh, propagate, but no one's propagating anything. We got no propagation going on. Maybe we can change that. Crap, I don't have a spot for this boy.
But yeah, let's play some
Yes, I do.
Minecraft. How to start?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
This is
7.
on the side, so they won't affect other players if you. Okay. Texture
I'm not even
basic.
using magic on this floor. There's no point putting him there.
Okay.
Let's drop a bit on him.
Let's see. What happened? Never playing it again. Oh no. We're gonna be playing it again now. We're gonna be playing now. Do you need to pay for a realm, or players like start a server? How does that work?
Okay, that's an easy GG. It's an easy endless first round.
Right now. How much is a realm? How much is that? 10? Is it $10? Okay.
Okay, let's see. Remove a card and add cursive empty mine. At start of battle, 1 pyre damage per card, fewer than 30 in your deck. Okay, I'll go with that because I have 32 cards. Or duplicate a card and put -6 all units. No, that's stupid. Absolutely not. Let's see, what are we going to get rid of? What do I not need? This Sport Touch has not been coming in handy. I'll also get rid of the spear on my next opportunity as well.
Yeah, but why would you? Oh, okay, I see.
Okay, and this is where the real cocksuckers rear their ugly fucking faces. Okay, we got quick. We got this boy, right?
Do we install mods for this?
It's there. Okay, this goes here.
Play it as is.
She goes here.
Okay.
That's it.
Joe, don't use. What do you mean use? I'm not playing it.
All right, this is good. Boiler room on the bottom floor. We can throw mute on these guys. I'm not sure what it's going to do.
I'm talking. Rams
0.
10 players. Oh shit.
Titan skin 10. Titan skin 30.
This is one guy. You can also dedicate a server for yourself. Okay.
Okay, so the other ship mobs are moot.
Okay.
This guy still has 800 HP.
So you're telling me that we can't play tonight? We can't play them. Well, that fucking sucks. That fucks off. I was gonna play Minecraft for you guys, but I guess only can't play. Okay, well.
Do a bit of setup, and then we can drop this sap on him. Oh, I only got 17 HP. Well, we gotta set up a second line, regardless. 170, that one's 70. So we can still get 10x sap on him. Brings him 4. Still not enough.
Listen, we have some rancid beef at Alfix.
Silent.
Das ist das, das ist das. Das ist das,
Mute,
das ist
rather.
das. You must dance it now.
We're gonna turn this thing one big order.
I think that's it. That's okay. Level 2 is infamous for being bullshit. Alright. Oh. Let's see. F. Well, did we do it? Is it over? Our victory against them certainly weakened them, but not over yet. Far from it. We need to keep fighting. Each victory against them, no matter how small, brings us closer to getting rid of them for good.
They are Titans, after all. I didn't expect us to take them down that easily.
Yeah, like, I guess that means I got more work to do around here. I better prepare the train for the next assault. Harzul, there's one more thing I need to tell you. In the pyre, Seraph said something to me. He told me that defeating the Titans would be the end of him, and once he's gone, he wants me to take Heaven's throne. If he's telling the truth, then somebody needs to take the throne. Heaven's light needs a steward. But should that person really be me? But if it changes me, turns me into someone I'm not, if I end up like my brother?
You're not your fucking brother, Fel. Seraph ruled through fear and cruelty. That was the only way he knew how to lead people. I've watched you bring hell together, not by force, but by giving them hope. That's something Seraph never understood. And you won't be alone. You've got Hef. You've got me, and all of goddamn hell behind you.
Well then, will you come visit me in heaven? I'll miss this place after all.
Of course we will. And you better come visit us here too, bitch. That's why I built the rail after all. Maybe once this is all over, it could be like old times again. You, me, Hef.
I like that. I'll be looking forward to it. Oi, you two finished yet? Fel, your troops are waiting. Train's almost ready.
You better get to it. One battle at a time, right?
Right, time to get to work. So, what next? I think it's finishing the Covenants. So I'm only 3 away from finishing the Covenants. There's 25 dimensional portals. I've only beaten 3 or 4 of them, so that's something else.
Let me know when you feel like trying again.